Welcome to the Organized Mama Office Reveal, sponsored by the Container Store. I partnered with the Container Store to create this incredibly long desk in my office space so that I would have room to work, create, and grow as a business. I started this entire process by measuring the wall that I had in my office, which also shares space with our mudroom. So I needed to be very strategic in how I use this space so that I could maximize my workspace along with creating storage and still keeping it functional for our mudroom. In order to create this giant desk, we used the Elfa desk top, it's a tabletop, and then we laid it on top of the Bisley file cabinets, 3 drawers. So the first 2 drawers, like the top 2, are just drawers, and then the bottom is a file cabinet. And I use that on, I have 4 of them, and so I use those to store files and books and other fun things that I need to keep in my office. Organization simple in your office is key because honestly, no one has time for clutter when you have work to do. So keep things simple, group things by where you work, create project boards, and store like with like. All of these things will help you stay organized in your office. Thanks so much.